Think you're ready for winter roads? One wrong tire chain could leave you stranded in the snow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tire chains for snow, tested, compared, and ranked from good to best. Whether you're prepping for a blizzard or just want peace of mind on icy roads, this video will break down which chains are worth your money and which ones might leave you spinning your wheels. Stick around, because our number 1 pick is a total game changer for winter driving. 5. SCC SC1032. Let's kick things off with the SCC SC1032, a budget-friendly cable chain that's become a staple for drivers looking for straightforward winter traction. Right out of the box, the SC1032 impresses with its lightweight construction, making it easy to handle and install even if you're not particularly handy. The design uses traction coils rather than traditional steel rollers, which helps maintain the chain's shape and provides a smoother, quieter ride than you might expect from an entry-level product. When testing these chains, I noticed they deliver solid performance in typical snowy conditions. Braking and cornering improved noticeably, and the chains didn't flatten or lose their shape even after repeated use. The steel construction feels durable, and the SC1032 meets SAE Class S clearance requirements, meaning it fits most vehicles with limited wheel well space. However, the simplicity of the SC1032 is both a blessing and a curse. While the lightweight design makes installation quick, it also means the chains aren't as robust as pricier alternatives. If you're only facing occasional snow or need chains for emergency use, these will do the trick. But for frequent or heavy-duty use, the cable-type design may wear out faster, and the lack of advanced tensioning features means you'll need to check the fit more often. Another point to consider is the fitment. The SC1032 is compatible with a wide range of tire sizes, but always double-check your specific tire dimensions before purchasing. 4. VEVOR tire chains. At number 4, we have the VEVOR tire chains, a step up in terms of design and durability, but not without a few quirks of their own. The first thing you'll notice is the diamond mesh pattern, which provides excellent grip on both snow and ice. The VEVOR chains are built with manganese alloy steel, giving them a sturdy feel and the ability to withstand repeated use in extreme cold. One of the standout features is the auto-tightening system. After you set the chains in place, the dual locking mechanisms keep everything secure, and the system self-adjusts as you drive. This means less time fiddling with chains in freezing temperatures and more confidence that your chains will stay put on the road. During my tests, I found that the VEVOR chains offered reliable traction and a noticeably smoother ride compared to basic cable chains. The color-coded components helped simplify the installation process, though it did take a little trial and error to get it right the first time. Once you've learned the setup, it's practical and efficient. However, the chains themselves are somewhat thin, which raises some concerns about long-term durability, especially for drivers who tackle harsh winter roads regularly. The included carrying case is lightweight and convenient, but it feels a bit flimsy and may not hold up to frequent use or rough handling. Another minor drawback is the initial learning curve. While the color coding helps, the first installation can be confusing. 3. SCC Peerless 0232105. Now moving into the top 3, the SCC Peerless 0232105 auto track chains start to show what premium engineering can do for winter driving. The Peerless auto track chains are known for their user-friendly installation and self-tightening system, making them a favorite for drivers who want reliability without hassle. When I tested these chains, the first thing that stood out was the ease of installation. The integrated tensioners mean you don't have to move your vehicle or make multiple stops to adjust the fit. Once the chains are on, the tensioners automatically cinch everything tight, keeping the chains centered and secure as you drive. Performance-wise, the Peerless 0232105 chains deliver excellent acceleration, cornering grip, and braking in snowy and icy conditions. The diamond pattern provides superior traction compared to traditional ladder-style chains, and the alloy link construction is both durable and resistant to corrosion. One thing to watch out for is the sizing. The company's sizing charts can be a bit confusing, and getting the right fit may require double-checking your tire dimensions. I had to return my first set because they were too tight, but once I got the correct size, the fit was perfect. Another minor issue is that, like most chains, they can get tangled if not stored carefully. But with a bit of patience and practice, installation becomes quick and straightforward. The Peerless chains also come with a handy storage bag, making them easy to keep in your trunk for emergencies. 2. König XG12 Pro. Runner-up on our list is the König XG12 Pro, a premium snow chain designed specifically for SUVs, vans, and vehicles with limited wheel well clearance. The XG12 Pro stands out with its patented self-centering and self-tensioning system, which makes installation a breeze even in the middle of a snowstorm. What really impressed me during testing was how quickly and securely these chains fit onto the tires. The color-coded connection points take the guesswork out of installation, and the plastic-coated tensioning system means you won't freeze your hands while working in the cold. Once mounted, the chains automatically adjust and center themselves as you drive, eliminating the need for additional stops to retighten. The diamond pattern with double traction plates offers exceptional grip on both snow and ice, while the Wheel Shield Level 1 rim protection system ensures your alloy wheels remain scratch-free. The XG12 Pro is also certified to multiple European standards, making it a reliable choice for both everyday drivers and those heading to the mountains. One of the best aspects is the build quality. The short-pitch chain links and reinforced steel core make these chains incredibly strong and durable, capable of handling heavy vehicles and repeated winter use. The compact plastic case is a nice touch, making storage and transport easy. While the XG12 Pro comes at a higher price point, the investment is well worth it for anyone who regularly faces severe winter conditions. The only downside is that you pay a premium for this level of convenience and performance. But if you want a chain that's easy to use, ultra-reliable, and built to last, this is it. 1. König K-Summit K22. Taking the top spot is the König K-Summit K22, the ultimate snow chain for drivers who demand the best in both performance and convenience. The K-Summit is an innovative, externally mounted chain that solves one of the biggest headaches of winter driving: limited wheel well clearance. Installation is where the K-Summit truly shines. The chain attaches to the wheel's center nut or bolt, with no need to reach behind the tire or fumble with awkward connections. The integrated ratchet system makes tensioning effortless, and the self-adjusting design ensures a perfect fit every time. No need to stop and retighten as you drive. During my tests, the K-Summit delivered unmatched traction on both snow and ice, thanks to its diamond pattern and hard metal studs embedded in the plastic plates. The chains ride solely on the tire tread, so there's zero risk of damaging your rims or interfering with suspension or brake components. The harmonic steel arms and composite plates are engineered for strength, flexibility, and longevity, giving you confidence even in the harshest conditions. Another huge plus is the versatility. The K-Summit is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including those with zero clearance behind the wheel, a common issue with modern cars and SUVs. The foldable components and compact carrying case make storage a breeze, and the included gloves and tools mean you're ready for anything winter throws your way. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top 5 tire chains for snow, ranked and reviewed. From budget-friendly basics to high-end innovations, there's an option here for every driver and every winter scenario. If you want something simple for occasional use, the SCC SC1032 or VEVOR chains are solid picks. But if you're looking for the ultimate in convenience, performance, and peace of mind, the König K-Summit K22 is the clear winner.